Marie. As you can see, I am here today to do my first vlog with you guys. So you already know my channel is used to nothing but snacking, munching, and reacting. But as usual, I ain't too far away from some food. Okay? So you already know I already got my good old pickle with me, side riding with me to go get on with this vlog. Okay? So today we are going to go get my hair braided. So I already had a difficult time with this particular braider, and some of you guys might be like, oh, why you didn't cancel that guy? Because I already paid my motherfucking deposit. Okay? So I'm the person, when it comes to my money, your girl don't play when it comes to her money. Okay? So I wasn't canceling on nobody, and I already don't pay my deposit. Okay? So hopefully my hair come out cute, because I don't know. Hopefully these knotless braids come out cute. Hopefully she don't flake on me. Hopefully she ain't late. Because I'm just tired of these hairstylists in my city. Now let me know down below in the comments if this is in y'all city too. You go to these people Instagram and you find them on Instagram, or you hear about them word of mouth or whatever the case may be. And then you go to these people and then you look in the mirror when they get done and your hair don't look shit like the bitch hair on social media. And I be like, are they using a filter, or are they just fucking up people's hair on fucking purpose? Like, I understand that you may be doing your friend's hair and everything else, but your friends ain't gonna be there for long to support you how a new client is going to support you. Because I'm the type of person, if you do my hair one time, I don't care if it costs anywhere between $50 to damn near $400, $500, $600. I don't care. If you do my hair the way I want my hair done perfectly the first time, I will be a loyal customer to you. Period. If y'all hear something, a noise in the background, it's this man over here that's cutting somebody's damn grass. I just want to interrupt my damn video. But anyway, y'all let me know down in the comments if y'all have this problem in y'all city. People, pictures be deceiving and be lying to y'all versus when you go get your hair done. Because, baby, in my city, I'm tired of it. Or bitches want to be flaking. They don't want to respond back to messages. Like, but then when you get there, after you already don't hit them up asking about, oh, what hair, this and that. Then you get there, and then they want to be like, oh, this is the wrong hair. Well, bitch, if you would have tested back, we wouldn't have had this problem. Like, I'm tired of it. So, I think right now, for my birthday, because yes, your girl birthday coming up in September, okay? I think I'm just going to go ahead and take my happy ass a trip to Atlanta and go get my hair done, because it seems like bitches in Atlanta know how to do hair. And bitches here, where the fuck I live at? Fuck no. Oh, I'm so sorry. It's like I'm rambling on and on. I'm talking too much, but I'm sorry. Just leave a comment down below. But Shirley, just shut up. You're talking too much. Get on to the video. But I'm finna go ahead and start. Well, my car already started. I'm finna go ahead and go on the road. I need to stop by the hair store because I'm still trying to debate if I should do all black knotless, or if I should do like this, like two-tone color. You see how it's like black? I don't know if y'all can see. It's like black and then go down. What is this? This is a T30B. So I don't know if I should do that, or should I just stick with my basic classic black knotless and call it a day. So y'all gonna be on this journey with me. Hope you guys stay tuned. I know I talk too much. I'm sorry. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to ring that bell so you post notifications. And let's just get right into this video. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Now, y'all seen what time it was when I left this bitch. It was still daytime. Why the hell is it nighttime now? And I'm just now leaving an appointment that I got there at 1:30. And bitch, it's 9:07 at night going on 10 o'clock? What? Are you kidding me? This what I'm saying. It should not take you this long to be making nobody goddamn knotless. I never in my life sat nowhere for 9 hours, 8 hours, whatever you want to call it, 8 hours for some goddamn knotless braids. Knotless should not take this goddamn long at all. And then on top of it, the bitch kept stopping and going outside and talking and doing this and doing that. I'm like, how fucking unprofessional could you be? How fucking unprofessional? I love my hair. My hair is extra cute. But that's besides the fucking point. When a bitch is paying you some motherfucking money, you should not have nobody waiting. Pretty much your whole fucking day is screwed because you waiting for somebody to finish your hair. And you got there at 1:30. And now it's 9:30. Actually, 9:37 at night. And you just now leaving? Because the person who's doing your hair want to be on the phone. They want to text. They want to have photo shoots. They want to be on Instagram. They want to do this. Like, bitch, you don't got time for that. And then when I ask you a question or be like, hey, like, how much longer? Oh, I take time. Your hair gonna be, no, bitch, ain't no fucking time. Because, bitch, I don't got time. Never a fucking again. I will return back to her. Because this right here don't make no fucking sense. Like, what in the hell? And then y'all wonder why I said earlier, these hairstylists say, oh, one thing online from pictures to how long it's going to take them to do the website, to do your appointment and all that. And then when you get there, the shit be taking triple on. Like, what the fuck? And then my braid girl that I normally go to, she out of town for the whole summer. So I had no choice. Like, what the fuck? But, baby, you trust and believe you don't got to worry about me going back to her. I will not refer you to her or nothing. But, yeah, now I got to go home and play mom. So, let me pick up dinner. I'll see you guys once I get back to the house. This some bullshit, I tell you. Bullshit. Hey, y'all. So, your girl is back. I'm back home. I had to go play mommy duties for a quick second. I had to go bathe my child, eat, do all that, take his ass to bed. Okay? But I'm like, back on the topic with the hair. There's no way that your website say it take you anywhere between 4 to 5 hours to braid somebody knotless braids, and it took you damn near 8.5, almost 9 hours to do my hair. Like, sis, no, I ain't paying you with no motherfucking Monopoly money. I ain't paying you with no goddamn $200 a pass go. I ain't doing none of that. I pay you with my good ass goddamn money, and you taking all damn day to braid somebody's hair. Like, I cannot stand a stylist like that. And the thing is, I went to her because she's supposed to be so good, so good. But a bitch never said in the comments or never said in the reviews that the whole take all motherfucking day. Like, how I get there at what? What time was my appointment? 1 o'clock? 1:30? No, it was at 1, and then she changed it to 1:30, changed it back to 1, and changed it back to 1:30. So I get there at 1:30, okay, and you braid my hair, you stopping, you going, you stopping, you going. Like, I hate when I send somebody a chair, and the first thing they say, as soon as I sit down, dang, you got a lot of hair. I already know I've ripped the shit finna take all motherfucking day. It doesn't matter how much hair a bitch got on their head. It don't matter how much hair is on a bitch head. If I'm not getting down to the motherfucking flow length braids, bitch. I got mid-back, but since I'm short, my mid-back comes to my waist. Period. But I got regular, supposed to be mid-back, knotless braids. Should not take you all motherfucking day. Okay? So as soon as somebody be like, oh, you got a lot of hair in your head, girl. As soon as somebody say that, I already know, bitch, I'm gonna be in the chair all day. And if people wonder why I only go to my select few hair stylists, and that is it. 2 people. The person I go get my hair done on a regular, wash, blow dry, all that stuff on a regular. Been going to this lady since I was, 10 years old? Okay? She know how to grow some hair, okay? But I only go to her, and I go to my regular braider. Regular braider was gone for the whole summer. I don't know what the hell whole had going on. But then you got to go try somebody new because you really want some damn braids for the summer. But then you go try a new bitch that everybody in your city swear about. man, y'all should have left that in the goddamn reviews on her damn booking website. Oh, she do good work, but just know that she take all goddamn day. That's all y'all had to say in the goddamn reviews, and I would be like, all right. I would have prepared myself. But bitch, I ain't prepared if your damn website say it take you 45 hours. 4 to 5 hours. And I'm there all damn day. Ain't leaving that bitch till about 9:30. Like, sis, no. Y'all go ahead, drop a comment down below if y'all got hairstylists in y'all city that be on that bullshit, that don't have good communication, that be booking 20,000 people in front of you, but then talking about, I just gotta squeeze them in. I hate bitches like that. Just drop a comment down below of your worst hair experience. Cause baby, this was mine, and I ain't fucking, well, I got plenty more. But this right here done top the notch. Like, sis, I never in my life waited 8 to almost 9 hours for some knotless braids. They cute and everything, but sis, for knotless, no, sis, no. Then you stopping and going and stopping and going. Then it ain't like, oh, I'm at your house. I'm at your whole shop. It ain't no kids there. So you got no reason to be doing all that goddamn stopping and going. You answering the phone. Okay, bitch, put on your goddamn AirPods or something. Like, I gotta say is, I'm just blown about the whole experience. Y'all go ahead, once again, drop y'all comment down below. Let me know if y'all like this type of video. This is my first vlog. Let me know how I did. Not video vlog, more of a story time, my experience with me getting my hair braided. But anyway, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, don't forget to ring that bell. Big giveaway still coming up soon. Your girl is close to it. Make sure you guys subscribe. Go ahead, tell your mama, your grandma, your cousin, your auntie, your sister, your brother, your friend, your homegirl, your homeboy, whoever you want to tell. Go ahead, tell them about your girl, Shirley Marie. Subscribe to my channel. See you guys on the next video. Peace.